Hello and welcome to OMC Ford and Kia here in Oldham, and here we have the Ford EcoSport ST line with only 16,025 miles on the clock. This car has now been through a 160-point mechanical inspection for your peace of mind and comes with some great features that include satellite navigation, half leather interior, cruise control, reverse sensors and camera, and 17-inch alloy wheels. If you think this car could be the car for you, for only £99 you can reserve it, subject to view and test drive. On our website you can also find the finance calculator, book a test drive or request a personalised video highlighting the features you would like to see more of. We would love to hear from you, so please give us a call on 0161 287 4141 and we'd love to help you out on your next inquiry here at OMC Ford and Kia in Oldham.